Today, we're going to dive into the hidden features of the iPhone that will revolutionize the way you use your device. Let's get started right away. Tip 1. Turn off timed alarms. Have you ever wanted to listen to a song before bed, but you're worried that your phone is going to play it all night? There's a hidden setting in the clock app that lets you choose what happens when the timer ends. Here's how. Open the clock app and set a new timer. Scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see an option called Stop Play. Now, when your timer ends, your iPhone will stop playing whatever media is currently playing. Perfect for falling asleep to music or catching up on YouTube without distractions. Tip 2. Spotlight Superpower Fast Action. Swipe down on the home screen to open Spotlight. Search for an app such as Clock. You'll see the option to open the Clock app, but there's also a Set Timer button next to it. Set the timer directly in Spotlight without opening the app. This applies to several other apps as well. Search for photos to access your most recent photos, favorites, or locations. Need to use the camera quickly. Search for camera and go straight to selfie mode or start recording a video. It's all right there in Spotlight. These are just a few of the hidden iPhone features that can make your life easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.